This video will show you how to replace the elastic in the Be Mindful mask. When you first receive it, it will already have attached the ear loops, and you can just go ahead and put those on and begin to wear the mask. If, however, over time, maybe the elastic is starting to wear out, or by chance, if you want to wear the longer loop that is of elastic that is included with your kit, that goes around your head and neck, then this is the way to go about doing that. There's actually two different ways. Let me show you this one first. Is you can kind of cheat a little bit and attach the new elastic to the old elastic. Knot that up like that, and then just pull it through the channel. However, that does kind of tend to be a bit of a bigger knot, and so sometimes it can be a bit hard to get through the channel. So instead, what we have done is we have included a bobby pin for you. So just put that through the bobby pin, and we're going to just then work it through the channel. Sometimes this can be a little bit ornery to kind of get through. It takes a couple of pushes, and then out the side comes the bobby pin. Now you will want to then continue to go up one side and then down into the other. And let's see if we can get this through that second side as well. Pushing it through, pushing it through. All right, there it is. So we have the loop on the top. Take the two ends. Oops. And tie those together. Now if you want to, for a more aesthetic look, you can go ahead and pull that knot up into the channel to kind of hide it. And then it's ready to wear.